Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sly and today I arrived to Moscow, Russia. And as you expected, Russia is very cold and it's snowing. So it's perfect for a Christmas time. So today I invite you to join me for a walk around city center of Moscow during snowy freezing time. Let's explore the main street, one of the biggest streets of Moscow. It's called Tverskaya. Here is the underground metro. And let's see how it's decorated and if it's ready for Christmas. People in Russia actually don't celebrate Christmas at 25th of December. They celebrate it at 7th of January, and they celebrate New Year. Look guys, it's a real snow and it's freaking cold out there. People taking pictures, trying to catch this festive mood. And I try to show you and bring that Christmassy vibe to you guys. Look how beautiful it is. Just take a look at this. I have to be pretty careful because it's very slippery. But this is amazing. Here is how Russian flag looks like. It's white, blue and red. Some Cuban music, I believe. Some Latin American music. Look at the windows. Everything is shiny. Christmas trees. In Russia they don't say Christmas tree, they say yolka. It means just pine tree. It's a truly winter fairy tale. Oh, it's moving. Reminded me of Home Alone, Christmas window with of a toy shop. Oh, sorry, let me make it less dark. Once again, and let's also appreciate Russian architecture. Public transportation is here very good. So many different buses. Metro is huge. I believe several hundreds metro stations. And look at that. Let me know in the comments, where are you from? Is it as festive as in Russia, in your city? And this building is the house of Moscow mayor. So of course decorations are rich, especially here where the mayor sits. Oh wow, just look at this. Is it a Christmas market? Let's find out. Is this frame worth it to be put as a thumbnail for a video? Oh. And here is the carousel. As far as I'm concerned, this carousel is free for everybody. Free of cost. Isn't it amazing? Let me go around with you and see what we have here. Oh, people dancing, wow! Just look at this. Wow. Is it some sort of musical? Very nice. So people already celebrating and having fun. Let's go around and see. There is some place to eat. It looks to me like a Bryant Park in New York City.
Зима началась рано. Морозы, когда наступили уже в начале ноября, снег лег на улице города с таким удивительным спокойствием, словно наступила день. Заснеженные улицы казались таинственными, пустынными и оттого еще более величественными. Казалось, словно каждый дом в Москве обрел свой прежний заброшенный вид. К вечеру огни города стихали, и за окнами стали проявляться тени, которые дремали в этом заснеженном, как заколдованном городе. И вот как-то в преддверии нового 2025 года трое друзей собрались вместе.
Ребята,
А?
меня для вас предложение совершенно неожиданное.
Such an amazing place, such a good atmosphere here. Very calm.
Новый год все вместе.
Нет, не понял, давай.
People are not in a rush. They're just enjoying Christmas time. Or as it called here, New Year's time. And snow lane here makes it even more beautiful. Here is the Russian dry bread. It's a snack.
Я другой конец здесь клёво.
Here is another logo. How are you doing? Hello. Isn't it cold for you? I should have made this video, separate video for only for this place. I never thought it would be so beautiful here. I just walked the street and I didn't expect it to find this Christmas market. So guys, let's actually call it, and I will come back next time and make a separate video. So stay tuned, don't miss it, because I will show this place in detail. So thank you for being with me, for walking with me, and like and subscribe.